Okay, so these are sport watch from AliExpress. I believe you can also buy them on Wish. I believe I ordered even a second pair of these on Wish. And as you can see down here, this is the only button. You can press it, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part will show the time, and the lower part you can set these up, but setting these is quite hard. You almost have to have PhD to set it up. And this is how they look after almost a week of using. I was running with them, I was going to the gym, and they still look like new. Only the bad part is that you have to set them for ages, and that is quite frustrating. It took me like several minutes to do it because the lower part of the button doesn't really work how it should. As you can see, I will try to set it up on camera, but I probably won't be able to. Yes, and as you can see, I don't have the nerves for this. Other than the settings, setting these up, these are great watch, they are durable, and they were only under $5, so I highly recommend those.